The first telescope I'm using is the SLR old lens. It's a Soligor lens, 400mm focal length and a 67mm aperture. And I'm using a Televue Panoptic 24mm. So this is the result. Very wide angle actually, very nice wide angle. It's almost like a lens, normal lens you use with a camera. I'm pleased with this, but I want more details.
This is the Skywatcher ED72 Apochromatic telescope that I'm using, and this is the Zeiss 25mm 57 degrees eyepiece. This is the Zeiss PL10 10 times dash 20. Let's see how is the view through this telescope. I will take astrophotography.
So now I'm using a Prinz optics 76.2mm telescope. It has a focal length of 1250. It's a very long telescope, and as you can see here, it gives a f number around f16.4, I think. Let's see how is the view. Okay, I'm observing with the this OpticStar AR90S 90mm f5.5 telescope. I've turned it upside down because I found it easier to actually work this side with the fine tuning of the focus. I have my best view of the M42 Great Orion Nebula with this telescope and this Zeiss eyepiece, microscope eyepiece. Specification is written here, Pl-10 times 20, that is equal to 25mm 57 degrees. This is a Skywatcher 114 or 4.5 inch reflector. It's one of the biggest, field of view telescopes I've ever seen. Almost equal to the Astroscan, very much so. And I'm using a Plössl eyepiece. It's a 25mm Skywatcher one. And this comes with the original mount with the Virtuoso mount, but I'm using it just in the Alter Sabre mount on a normal tripod. Let's see how is the view.
Oh, what excellent eyepiece is this 26mm Meade Plössl. That's a lovely eyepiece, sharp. I'm looking at the M42 Great Orion Nebula. It's so beautiful.
This is my 12-inch or 305mm reflector telescope on a Dobsonian mount. This is a Skywatcher Flextube 300p, and I'm using an Erfle eyepiece, Siberia 50mm Erfle eyepiece. It's a Russian one, very good, very lightweight, gives me a wide field of view. So I'm just using it with this telescope, and I'm looking at the M42 Great Orion Nebula. Let's just see how is the view through this, and I have zoomed and I've done all kind of things just to see how it performs. It gives me the best view so far. I can see sometimes some color, and sometimes also I see similar in a refractor of a 6-inch diameter objective lens. Let's see. I hope you have enjoyed. I enjoyed using all these telescopes. It depends, when you are tired or you cannot lift a heavy weight. The smallest telescope, the smallest lenses can help you actually just to do something that you enjoy. And when you are, have a good rest, you can go for the bigger ones and enjoy that way. Or Great Orion Nebula is a very good target, easy to see for almost 6 months or a little bit more if you want.